On her case, we have identified the problem is right in the midsection of her neck. So there's a misalignment of the vertebrae that's causing some discomfort and some nerve flow problems. So chiropractic is designed to restore the flow the energy flow in the nerves. And this is one of the fairly new techniques, very simple, and the better you become in techniques, always less force is required. For example, just going to do this one very gently and move your back a little bit more, and there. Here it is. I don't know if the camera was good enough to hear the noise, but we heard a small sound that you would normally hear on yourself at home. Was there any pain?
No.
No pain at all.